happened?
Nothing much. We did what people usually do during funerals.
Oh, did you meet her?
Yes.
Sylvia looked like she had Indian blood with her sharp nose and deep-set eyes thickly bordered by long lashes. Just like Mom, she still maintained a slim figure though she already had children.
Are you Lisa?
Yes.
I mean Sylvia. And everyone makes mistake, Lisa.
What did she tell you?
Nothing much. She told me who she was.
Ah, what did she look like?
She's pretty, I guess. She was.
I think there was enough na.
I don't think she is pretty as Mom though.
Where was your dad when she was talking to you?
Oh, he was sleeping in one of the bedrooms. Mom did not want to wake him up because they told her he had not slept for 2 nights straight.
Oh, nice. Your mom talaga.
My mom don't want me to go to the funeral, so pinilit ko siya para makapunta.
Pwede po ba akong pumunta kay Papa? Naririnig mo ba sinasabi mo? Di mo ba naiisip? Di mo ba naiisip ang mga ginawa sa atin ng iyong ama? Hindi nga po pwede. Ilang beses ba itong sasabihan? Hindi nga po pwede, anak. Alam mo naman ang ginawa sa atin ng iyong ama. Hindi po pwede. Tayo ka na. Sige na. Pero di mo naisip ang ginawa sa atin ng iyong ama. Napakasakit sa akin para anak. Kahit ako, hindi ko magawang pumunta doon dahil sa iniwan niyang sakit.
Pinuntahan ako ng aking papa at nilapitan ako at may sinabi siya sa akin.
I'm glad you came. Father Mary said that we shouldn't feel sad because Lem is unsure of going to better place because he's such a good child.
Minsan naisip ko na kumain kami ng sabay-sabay at nag-uusap, nagkakwentuhan tungkol sa mga problema para masolusyonan. At ayun lang ang aking hiling.
More. More pa daw po. That's true.
Wash the dishes, okay? Kasi ako yan.